I have some beautiful greens this morning, and they are so lovely. Let me show them to you. This is more of like an emerald green. It's a crushed velvet. It's beautiful. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction to allow those lines to go up and down. It's just beautiful. It's really, really pretty. Just a little bit of glim. It's going to be lovely. Then this one is charcoal with that teal. It's a charcoal plaid. This is like a poncheroma. It has stretch in both directions. It's 100% cotton. And it has the teal and the charcoal together, which I personally think is just beautiful. And the good news is I have a teal that just matches it beautifully. This is 100% cotton. It's a poncheroma. It has stretch in both directions. Just a beautiful piece of fabric, and you can see them together. They're just beautiful. These are all today, $19.99. Now there's two poncheromas, and they're close in color. This is more tealy, this is more greeny. This teal goes with this charcoal, and this green goes with this rose one down here. This one in between them is a beautiful green and black. I think this would be just an awesome pair of pants, a jacket. It's a cotton poly, has stretch in both directions. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. Again, kind of a poncheroma weight. This also is a poncheroma. This is 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. And you can see this one is a little more green and goes really beautiful, blends just really beautiful with this last one, which is like a rosette. Isn't that beautiful? This also is like a poncheroma, stretch in both directions, although it's a cotton poly. And mostly cotton. Mostly cotton, but a little bit of poly. So aren't they beautiful? These beautiful greens. I love them. A little bit of teal, a little bit of charcoal. Just so pretty together. The goal, of course, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.